Hollywood, but the red carpet is heating up. Stay with us for all the glitz and glamour on the Oscars Red Carpet Live here on ABC.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a flash flood warning for Geneva County in southeast Alabama, including the city of Geneva and Sampson, Houston County in southeast Alabama, including the city of Dothan, until 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:26 a.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar continued to indicate very heavy rainfall from slow-moving thunderstorms across Geneva and Houston counties in southeast Alabama. Local emergency management continued to report that dangerous flooding was occurring across many portions of the warned area. Additional storms are expected to develop across the warned area and move slowly northeast around 10 miles per hour through this afternoon. This is becoming an increasingly significant and life-threatening flash flood situation for Geneva and Houston counties, including but not limited to the cities of Geneva and Dothan. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown.